You are welcome to this video. Now, if you are looking to build a load of lists on WhatsApp for your business in particular, you need to listen to this warning right now. Now, there are different ways of you building lists on WhatsApp. Okay, either on your WhatsApp status, WhatsApp group, or you're trying to build some list of contacts, okay, on WhatsApp, by which you can keep marketing your products too. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Now, the first method we have is you using paid ads to get load of leads to your WhatsApp, and by so doing, you create the list. Okay, you keep nurturing them. And we have the second method, which requires you to scrape group members from WhatsApp groups, okay, and by which you can send out some automated WhatsApp messages to them for them to save your number, and you also save their contact, and by so doing, you build load of leads and lists on WhatsApp. Okay, that's very much possible. That is the paid way and the free way. Now, listen to me very carefully. There is a difference between you trying to build a load of lists on WhatsApp just for you to be able to run maybe some WhatsApp TV campaigns for some people, by which you collect some penny, and by so doing, you post some products or the business or services of people on your WhatsApp status, and the audience sees it, and by so doing, some of them might be able to convert or not. Do you understand? And there is also a difference between you building a particular list of people who are only interested in your products or services just for yourself. You are not trying to build it for people. And this is where my advice comes in. If you are trying to do that, if you are trying to build a load of lists just for your own business, or you are trying to get lists to WhatsApp, even if you are doing it the free way, do you understand? Now, make sure that you scrape out group members of, let's say for instance, now you are trying to scrape members from group. Make sure that group is pertaining to what your services or what your goods or what your products offer. Let's say for instance, now I am in digital marketing and I want to build load of WhatsApp list for free. Do you understand? I am going to, try and make a search, join groups that are pertaining to Facebook ads, Google ads, building website or digital marketing. And by so doing, when I scrape out these members, and when I tell them, when I send out a campaign to them, some messages using some automatic apps, are you getting it now? There is high value, there is high chance and rate of them saving my number, and not only saving my number, there is high chance of them converting more and more as I post into my WhatsApp status. That is what a lot of people don't know. You don't just go into any kind of group. Do you understand now? Despite the fact that you are doing it for free, you don't just go into any kind of group or just go into any kind of audience, scrape the members and just save it and think you are building lists. No, when you are building load of lists or load of leads, do you understand now? You need quality leads. You need quality leads that are only, they are what will I say it? They are highly interested in what you do. Okay, they are members of that particular niche. You need people in your niche. You don't just go all about try to scrape group members, try to build list on your WhatsApp or your email list and think you are building lists. No, you are wasting your time. So this is my very candid advice for you. If you run a WhatsApp TV or you are trying to build load of customers, okay, on your WhatsApp status or a broadcast list, group, or as a message. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on the bell notification icon, and see you on the next video. My name is Ayotolani, and stay healthy. Thank you.